Good morning, guys. We're going to learn about fractions today. And I'm going to turn this paper over for just a second. A fraction looks like, in numbers, let's say we're going to do 1/2. Wow. What on earth is that? Well, let's get settled down. If we have a circle, and we cut that circle in half, how many pieces are in this whole circle? There's 1, 2. Okay, well that kind of looks interesting. It looks just like this, doesn't it? I could make it look a different way. How many pieces? There's a whole something there, and there's 2 pieces of it. Okay, 1/2. If I take one of these pieces, I've taken 1/2. Okay, 1 whole. There's a whole piece. I could make that look, it could be, it's 1 piece, or it can be, that's all 1 of 1. Okay, and here is 1 of 2. Let's try, and let's see. Yeah, we're going to do one more, and then I'll tell you what these numbers are. Their name, they have a name. So if I did 1, 2, 3, and mine don't look very equal. So I have 1, 2, 3 pieces out of the whole. How many pieces? 3. That is called my denominator. And let's say we're going to eat 2 pieces of that. So ate 2. This is the numerator. Denominator. I used to call it the debotominator because it's on the bottom, always on the bottom. Just an interesting way to learn how to do it. But now these things can look differently. Let's try this 1 whole. That looks like a big giant rectangle. I have 1 whole, or 1 of 1. I can eat that whole, let's say it's candy bar. I can eat that whole candy bar. 1 of 1, and I've eaten it all. Now let's try the half. I might want to share it with someone. So I'm going to cut it in half. Now I have how many pieces of this candy bar? 2. And I get 1, and my friend gets 1. So we each get 1/2. Okay. So, and your bar graph goes all the way down. It's the same concept all the way down. Now I think I'm fixing to sneeze. Thank you. So I made this piece, I called it a cake. And I cut it into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ate 1/4 of this cake, and there was 4 of us, but somebody snuck in and ate 2 pieces of this 4. So I did another one, and it has, look, 8. Remember, however many pieces the whole is cut into, that's your denominator. And then however much is eaten or gone is your numerator. So I ate 2 pieces of this pizza, 2 8s. And here we have, we have 12 pieces of this. I decided this was an orange that was cut in half, and I ate the whole thing. I ate 12 out of the 12 pieces. I ate it all. Okay? Now it can go, I would do one with even more pieces or something, but I don't think it would look very good, so I'm going to leave it at that. But what I want you to do on this one is I want you to decide what food it is. Even if they look like these could be candy bars, they could be brownies, they could be anything you want them to be. And it's the same concept down here. As I showed you earlier, I ate 1/2 of the candy bar. Here, maybe there were 3 of us, and or maybe there was just 2 of us. I gave my friend 1/3 and I ate 2/3. That would have been very nice with it. So these bars basically are the same thing as these. They just look different, okay? But what I want you to do, and you can name your food if you want. See, I have pizza here, I had cake here, I had an orange here. You can name them, that would be fun. But anyway, name your pizza if you want to. And put your, I put this one down here, but let's just cover that up. I would like for you to put your answer, or whatever you come up with, however much you ate, okay? And choose different numbers. And the sheet that you have on your, on Dojo has a lot more than this. There's actually 2 full sheets of these, or 1 full sheet of these and 1 of these. They're separate posts. But then you can tell me how much of the whole, and you have to put the whole, remember the whole is the denominator, how much you ate is the numerator. Okay? I hope that's clear as mud to you, parents. I know you probably remember fractions a little bit, but if you need help, give me a call and I'll try and Dojo with you and show you a little more. Alrighty? Have fun today, guys. Bye-bye.